I'm going to open this egg with my brother Lil right over here. And we're gonna open it right now, okay? Let's open it. And then we have surprise inside there. Chocolates and surprises. Oh my god. Already you can see from Samuel he has chocolate. Oh, you see chocolate? Chocolate. Crack it. Oh, let's crack it. There you go, look, crack it. It's the ultimate cracker. Okay, we have this thing inside here. What? I got this guy from Samuel. Look, this guy. I got this guy from Samuel. This is from this guy. I got this guy. Come on, I got you. Hey Samuel, there's something inside. There's something. Oh my god, there's an egg. What do you got? Oh, you got pufferfish. You got a pufferfish. You got a pufferfish. So, yeah, we have this one too. I'll show you this pufferfish. Yeah, the pufferfish. We already have this pufferfish. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. So now you can have a goblin. You want to have this guy? No. I got this guy. Wait, we have collection of them. We can get collection of them. Collection. Oh, that's it. There is. Wait. Chocolate. Stop. There is Nemo, Dory, an octopus, and there's which one is Nemo? There's two Nemos. Which one's Nemo? I don't know. I like the T-Rex. Well, you didn't get a T-Rex. You got a pufferfish. I got this guy, and I have chocolate. Yummy chocolate. Bye. Bye.